The song All Hail King Jesus by Jeremy Riddle from his album More is a really beautiful song. It's a slow builder. There's a lot of ambient parts. Our effects play a big role on this on the electric guitar. The acoustic guitar, however, is very straightforward, very simple to play. There is one part in the song where there's a big vocal part and the guitar isn't doing anything, but the vocal part is such a big moment in the song, and you have to have a number of background vocals. If you don't have that, you're going to really be missing something in this song. So for the music video, I actually play a part, essentially take on that role for the electric guitar to kind of fill in some of that space, and it creates a really cool sound. If you've got vocals to do it, you don't need to do it. I also teach you another part to play as well, in case you don't have the vocals, but I wanted to add that part because it's such a crucial part of the song. The song is not capoed or anything, so go ahead and tune up, watch the music video, and let's get started.
For the earth began to shake, and the veil was torn. What sacrifice was made as the heavens roared?
Now we first come in on this pre-chorus, a lot of effect, kind of all the reverb, all the delay, everything that's on there. And there's two and a 4 bar, it kind of alternates. And so it's going to sound like this. I'll count it through for you. It's going to go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to turn the effect off here. And we're just basically swelling in on the 17th fret of the E, ring finger on the 18th of the B. And we're going 1, 2, and then we do a full 4 count with our pinky on the 15th fret of the E, pointer finger on the 12th of the B. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we stay in that position. Pointer finger now is on the 12th fret, middle finger on the B, and we're going to go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's once again. Then you're going to bar the G and B. Then bar the G and the B on the 10th and bring your ring finger onto your high E. So once again, with all the effect on, it's going to sound like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to kick off your reverb and head into that first chorus. In the first chorus, all we're going to do is just one strum everything. Just all hail King Jesus. And we'll take it through that first chorus. So I've got a loop of that pre-chorus down below just to make sure you've got it. Then let's go ahead and look at verse 2. 2, 3, 4.